Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your last scene or remove your last scene from your WhatsApp. So what this will do is any friends or family members, they won't be able to see your last scene or your online status. So for that, what you need to do, just go to the settings button and go to privacy, and as you can see here, last seen and online, you just need to tap here once. And from here, as you can see, it's right now it's everyone. So what this will do is everyone on the internet who have WhatsApp will able to see your last scene. No matter if you have saved their contacts or not, they will be able to see your last scene and online status. So if you choose to my contacts, only your contacts, only people from your contact list will be able to see last seen and online. However, if you select nobody, then no one, either it's your contact list or out of your contact, no one will able to see your last seen nor your online list. So in this way, if you come online and use WhatsApp, your online notification won't pop up. So yeah, that's how you do this as well. If you want to see, if you see here it says who can see I am online, you can just press the same as last scene. So that's how you change your last scene and